not mine. I buy like everybody else.
You're buying like everybody else? You know? Good looking house. I wish you money.
20-wheeler, 675. 475 for the New York Central.
No, but I'm just saying, you make sure you
get one?
No, because I have, what do I have? I have the M2 one. I like that color scheme a little better. Plus, I got an extra B with it. That's my trend one. Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, Pete! Pete! We go for the Santa Fe AA.
What?
Santa Fe AA. I got
It's almost real when you put it in there. It looks almost real when he's got it in the camera there, this engine over there.
Beautiful engines. Fab. 695 for the Benson. 875 for the
That's a good price for this.
Chesapeake and Ohio.